Ever pondered the secret to earning money online? The digital world offers an ocean of opportunities, and it's all about knowing where to cast your net. Today, we'll unravel the mystery and embark on a journey to discover how to generate income online. Imagine a world where your office is your cozy living room and your work attire is your favorite pair of pajamas. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, welcome to the reality of online earning. But before you dive in, remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, dedication, and a strategic approach. Step 1. Identify your niche. This is the foundation of your online earning journey. Your niche could be something you're passionate about or a skill you excel at. It could be anything from coding to cooking, from digital marketing to dog training. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to move on to the next step. Step 2. Build a platform. Depending on your niche, your platform could be a blog, a YouTube channel, or an online store. This platform will serve as your virtual storefront, showcasing your products or services to the world. Step 3. Monetize your platform. There are numerous ways to do this. You can sell products or services, offer online courses, or even monetize through affiliate marketing. You could also earn through advertisements or sponsored content. Step 4. Promote your platform. Use social media, SEO techniques, and email marketing to drive traffic to your platform. The more traffic you attract, the higher your potential to earn. Step 5. Maintain consistency and quality. Regularly update your platform with high-quality content. This will not only retain your existing audience but also attract new visitors. To recap, the journey to online earning involves identifying a niche, building a platform, monetizing it, promoting it, and maintaining consistency and quality. It's a journey that demands patience and perseverance, but the rewards can be substantial. So, are you ready to turn your passion into profit? To swap your 9-to-5 for a life of freedom and flexibility? The world of online earning awaits you. Take the first step today, and who knows, tomorrow you might wake up to a world where your dreams are your reality. Remember, the only limit is the one you set for yourself. So break those boundaries and start your online earning journey today.